We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. Sorry, Pink Floyd, you were wrong. We do need education. We do need thought control. Teachers are some of the biggest influences on our lives ever. How many of you guys remember who won the Grammy for Song of the Year last year? What about Oscar for Best Picture? What about the Heisman Trophy? Some of you might remember one or two of those things, but probably not all three. And I bet if you do remember all three, you don't remember who won those things 2 years ago. Things that seem important to us slip very quickly. But how many of you remember your favorite teacher? I know I do. Mine was Larry Fultz, my auto mechanics teacher for 3 years in high school. Mr. Fultz sadly has since passed away, but he had such an impact on my life. This is the rock city of Petra, located in Jordan. How would you like to have a rock city? Literally, that's what Petra means, is rock. We built this city on rock and roll. Actually, they built this city with hands, carving it and tools into the face of a cliff, into a mountain, sometime around 300 BC, and it has lasted for thousands of years and is still with us today. Teachers are like the builders of Petra, that rock city. They carve into our lives, into our minds, into our hearts, into our passions, things that stay with us for years and years to come. And this week I want to encourage you to do a couple of things. Be grateful for those teachers who have shaped and influenced you. If you have contact with a teacher who's made a difference in your life, give them an email, shoot them an email, get on their Facebook, their Twitter. If you have actual contact, physical contact, sometime in this new year coming around, contact them and let them know exactly how much they've influenced you and what they've meant to you. 2 is recognize that you and I are all teachers of sorts. You have influence on somebody's life around you, whether you know it or not. In this new year, I want to challenge you to be aware of the influence and the power you yield in the lives of others. Be an encourager, be a developer, be a dreamer that encourages and inspires others to dream bigger dreams for themselves. I know Mr. Fultz did that for me, helped me gain a lot of confidence, helped me gain a bigger understanding of what integrity is all about in the workplace. He's had an impact on my life and continues to do so even after he's passed away. So this coming new year, I challenge you, both be grateful for the teachers you've had and be better teachers and influencers to the people who are around you. Hope you guys have a great week and a great new year coming up. This has been Soul Shots.